The reason why a lot of students fail is because most of them, they don't know how to study. They fail to differentiate between reading and studying. And if you're one of those people who face difficulties to study and don't know how to make a proper schedule of how you're going to study, well, this video is for you. Don't forget to watch this video till the end and give this video a thumbs up before we go any further. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. I have 5 tips on how you can plan your studying. Number 1, create a study schedule. What I mean by that, you need to plan out your study sessions ahead of time and make a schedule that includes specific times for studying, breaks, and other activities. This will help you stay organized and manage your time more effectively. Number 2, remove distraction. What I mean by that is you have to find time and a place where you study. You can't study. There are those people who say, I study nicely in music. Well, that's a lie. You can't study with something that is distracting you in the background. You need somewhere quiet. You need somewhere peaceful that will make your mind at peace and free and concentrating on one thing. That will help you to study nicely. Number 3, take a break. It's important to take regular breaks during your study sessions to give your brain a rest and prevent burnout. Try taking a short break every hour or so and use this time to stretch, grab a snack, or do something relaxing. You can't just be studying from morning to 17 hours or 5 hours straight without taking a break, which means you're putting your brain in a cage. You won't be thinking nicely. Things won't start like getting in your brain. Things won't start sticking. Those things that you're studying about will stop sticking. As a result, your studying won't matter, will be worthless. So you need time to relax, time to refresh your mind, do something else at least. That will help you gain like the strength and the energy to study back and grasp everything that you are studying. Number 4, use active studying techniques. Instead of simply reading and rereading your notes, try active studying techniques like creating flashcards, summarizing information in your own words, or teaching the material to someone else. This will help you retain information more effectively and engage with material on a deeper level. You understand what I mean by that, right? When you talk to someone about the topic that you learned, it will help you remember, because you are the one who's removing the information, giving out the information. You can't forget if you're the one who's giving out information. And try to break down the notes that you have into small things, just like direct summarized notes. This will help you understand. Write down the key points of all your notes and pass through those. You can like expand them on your own in the free time. This will help you understand what you're studying about. And number 5, stay motivated. Set goals for yourself and reward yourself when you reach them. Celebrate your success and keep a positive attitude even when you encounter challenges or setbacks. Remember why you are studying and keep your long-term goals in mind to help you stay motivated and focused. It is very important. You can't just study while you are being in distress, while you are not even motivated. You have to motivate yourself and you have to set goals that you want to achieve. And when you achieve those goals, regardless of the challenges that you face along the way, you have to celebrate them. This will keep you moving forward. This will motivate you to even study more and study hard. So this is all I had for you for today. Thanks very much for staying up to the end. I really appreciate. See you in the next video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if this video was very helpful to you. I really appreciate your time. till we meet again.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is